I'm Jason Pajski. I'm a teaching assistant professor at East Carolina University. I recently completed a workshop with STEMskills Lab. We learned molecular dynamic simulations, how to set them up and run them, as well as analysis tools. We particularly looked at molecular dynamic simulations of protic-ionic liquids and their ability to capture carbon dioxide gases. It was a very well-run workshop. We had weekly meetings in which we got tutorials and we were able to ask any questions. We also had a WeChat group where we could ask questions throughout the week and get feedback from the instructors. We're working with them on writing up the results now. We learned a lot of different tools like Amber tools, GROMACS for the MD simulations, GRACE for the plotting. I would definitely do this workshop again or a different one with these people. It was very well done and professional, and I recommend that you try them.